Raden Ajeng Kartini was born in Jepara on April 21, 1876. She comes from a noble family. Her father, Raden Mas Adipati Aryo Sosroningrat, is a regent who governed Jepara at the time, while her mother, M.A. Ngasira Descendant from the common people. Like the other children from noble descent in general, she lived in prosperity and strict Japanese rules. She is the 5th child of 11 brothers and sisters coming from her biological and stepmother. Among her siblings from her biological mother, she is the oldest daughter. Raden Ajeng Kartini studied in the EAS school, Europe's leisure school. She studied Dutch language there so that she could speak Dutch language very well. When she was 12 years old, she had to quit studying because she had to do being at that time. A rule of Japanese custom that forbid women to go outside before marriage. Finally, on 12 years November 1983, she was married to Raden Adipati Joyodiningrat. After getting married, Raden Ajeng Kartini never stopped learning. She continued to study in her own house by reading a lot of European books and magazines. When she was reading them, she found a great difference between European women's life and Indonesian women. European women live in freedom and they have the same equivalent position with men, while Indonesian women live under men's power. Based on the page, she had an idea to change Indonesian women's life. She, along with her friend, opened the first school for women in Indonesia 1912 in Semarang. They taught Indonesian women how to and write so that they could come out of ignorance. In addition to teaching, she also wrote letters to friends in the Netherlands. On the dam in Rosa Abandoned, which strongly supported Kartini's idea. She also often wrote to the Dutch women's magazine The Hollandse Lily several times. Thanks to her efforts, many women's schools were built in other areas such as in Surabaya, Yogyakarta, Malang, Madiun, and Cirebon. Moreover, there was also Kartini Foundation, founded by Van der Venter family, who is a political figure, opened Kartini's school. Raden Ajeng Kartini's death on 13 years September 1904. Raden Ajeng Kartini died after giving birth to her son named R.M. Susalit C. She was 25 years old at that time. Although she had passed away, her spirit and brilliant ideas remain alive and inspire Indonesian women to continue their struggle to make her dream come true. Even her spirit made a Dutch figure, Mr. J.H. Abandonon, complete and published her letters sent to her friends in Europe entitled Der Sternis der Light, which means chalk darkness to light. For the contribution, she was awarded an Indonesian National Hero because of her ideals were improved Indonesian women level on my 2